Hey everyone, Jake and Noah here with Green Cover Seed, and today we're going to be talking about a legume that's creating a lot of buzz in the cover crop world.
That's right, today we're going to be talking about guar. Now guar is a warm season legume, so it's typically used in summer mixes. That's because it is one of the most heat and drought tolerant of any crops. When it runs out of moisture, it simply stops growing, essentially hibernating until it receives more moisture. When it gets that big rainfall, it goes right back to growing. In addition to its excellent heat and drought tolerance, it's one of the few crops that will actually grow in soils high in salt and alkali.
Guar is harvested for human consumption as guar gum, but its use as a cover crop has shown great potential in areas where other annuals aren't able to grow. Being a legume, it lives in symbiosis with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Guar has around 15,000 seeds per pound and is priced at 65 cents per pound. A full rate of guar is around 20 pounds per acre, and in a diverse mix, we recommend around 3 to 5 pounds per acre.
So even a small amount like this can really add potential when you're looking at adding nitrogen fixing or even grazing potential to your cover crop. If you want to learn more, visit our website at greencoverseed.com or call our office at 402-469-6784.
Be a star and plant guar.